What's up, YouTube? It's Bryan, back with Winning Edge Carwash. It's early in the morning. We at the gas station. Hey, back up and get close to the pump so I can do the equipment first. Okay. Getting the trucks right. So today I got a lot of stuff that I gotta do that involves me. Come on, man, show me your skills. Show me your skills. Being a slowpoke. Today I got a bunch of stuff to do as far as ripping and running to the stores. It's Monday. One more, a little bit more. So that's what I'm about to take care of. Put this good old petrol up in here. I gotta do the I'm gonna do the equipment first. We're not finna do like a full tank, man. These gas prices been killing me lately. I'm sure everybody feeling the pain. So at the end of the day, you know, with whatever money's coming in, you gotta just have budgeting with everything you do. So I can usually survive off about $60 to $70 worth of fuel, but if I fill this thing up, I'm gonna be at like $150. Shit. I don't know what you got? Your man purse? Yeah, getting it right. Oh, can't be wasting the gas, B. What you doing? Still wasting the gas. Can't get right. Limbo. All right. Hey, back up so I ain't gotta take the gas tank out the truck. Matter of fact, you could back all the way up and then I can put on the gas in the truck as well. Anybody come by? Nah, you good. Right up good. Oh. So right now, I want to make sure, I always try to make sure all the equipment filled up. Definitely don't want to run out of gas on that, but I mean, we put all the gas in each piece of equipment, like the pressure washer and the generator, so that we won't really have to worry about taking this big gas tank off the truck to fill everything up. I think on my next trailer bill, I'm gonna do the little modification on the pressure washer though, and put an auxiliary tank on there so I can not have to fill that up as much, because the generator, it usually stays like I can run it for like a couple days if I wanted to. Oh, that thing's a full tank for real. Okay, get that back right. All right, so the equipment took $28.65. Gonna throw like a good 40 in the truck and call it a day. Let that thing reset. Come on. truck right. Guys, we about to let it do what it do. I'm gonna put like 40 in the tank. I probably need to go ahead and put some gas in my truck, but man, I get tired of putting this gas in there. We need to make that profit, so we ain't trying to go crazy with it. So today I need to go to the store. I wrote down some items. I need to get gloves. I need to get a pressure washer cover that I was talking about yesterday that I had a bad issue with. We need another water hose for the house because my dog always chews it up. We need detergent. We need some chargers for the trailers. And I need to get some shampoo, stuff called Knockout for the carpet machine, or the upholstery machines, I would say. You can't use it on carpet, but you know, so hadn't got into that business yet. Get about 40 in there. There we go. Alright, y'all. I'm out.
Alright, we out.
We go up in here in the gas station, get my stuff that I need. I'm probably about to get me some coffee while I'm here real quick and call it a day. All right, guys, we back. Listen, I got that greasy, I got one drumstick in my coffee. One drumstick in my coffee. I shouldn't be eating that greasy gas station food, but y'all know the chicken from the gas station be lit. So I get like one piece just to satisfy that craving, and then that's it. But man, let me slide to the house. I got a bunch of stuff that I need to take care of and get done today, and I'm gonna get it all done today. So you know, y'all stay tuned. I'll take y'all around a little bit today as I'm moving around. Not sure if I'll end up doing a detail today, but if I do, probably be something that pops up or whatever. I got them guys sent out to take care of work for the day. So usually like the weekdays, I just focus on like growing the business. It's definitely some things that I'm gonna be putting in place soon that'll help farther like take me out of the business and have it run on its own. So we should be good here soon. So just gotta keep going because my objective is to be able to grow and go to different cities and make this thing happen. So let's keep it going.